This video ad has generated $57,000 for my competitor in the last month selling this anti-aging serum. And this one I made in under 5 minutes, sitting right here just talking to Claude. No human UGC creator and no waiting weeks for the ad to be filmed. Again, all with AI. This may sound too good to be true, but it's not. This is all possible because of Arcads MCP. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can mimic any winning ad ethically in one Claude chat in a matter of minutes. So instead of creating a brand new ad with zero validation and zero knowledge on what marketing angle will work, we're going to let Claude study a competitor's best performing ad, break down exactly what's going on in it, and then Arcads will rebuild that same winning structure with my product, my script, and new visuals all at volume. You can do this over and over again, either with your own winning ads or by iterating off of ad concepts that are making others millions of dollars a month. So you can either scale your current dropshipping brand or enter the market as a brand new dropshipping store, both ethically and efficiently with a much higher chance of success. This is exactly how I started my brand 3 years ago, and it's how I hit days like this. But now AI is going to do all of this for us. We're going to do this in 3 easy steps. First, we're going to connect Arcads MCP into Claude. Second, we're going to find the winning ad. And third, we're going to recreate the ad in minutes. And again, the whole thing runs through one Claude chat using Arcads MCP. So let's get into it. All right, so if you haven't seen my last video, I'm just going to quickly show you how to actually integrate Arcads MCP inside of Claude so you can use this pipeline yourself. So all you're going to do is go up here to customize, click on there. We're going to go to connectors. And as you can see, the Arcads MCP is, fully integrated inside of my Claude account. But all you'd need to do is click on plus, add custom connector, literally name it Arcads MCP, and then just copy and paste the actual MCP URL. And again, for the MCP URL, you just go to settings and then MCP here inside of your Arcads account, scroll down and just copy this link. You then just paste that link inside of here and click on add. Once you click on add, you sign into your account and you're done. And just so you're aware, this Arcads MCP plugs every single Arcads tool directly into Claude, which seamlessly connects the two platforms. It's basically a bridge between Claude and Arcads, so you don't have to do any of the prompting or hard work anymore to make high converting ads. This is one of the ways I'm actually able to outcompete all of my competition, because by using this process, you're able to make as many winning ads as you want on repeat and even schedule ads to be made for you autonomously. Okay, now that we're connected, we're gonna need to do some research. And this is where most people get it wrong. They rip off an ad one for one and then they wonder why they aren't also making millions of dollars like their competitor every month. But that's because you're competing at the product level with somebody spending 100 times more than you and winning Meta's auction every single time. When you're a smaller brand, and honestly, even in general, you need to iterate off of what's working, not copy it one for one. Not to mention, you'll inevitably get DMCA'd and have a bunch of issues down the line. So let's jump into Kalodata so I can show you how to find a winning ad and a winning product. Now what you're looking for is basically this. I'm going to pop up a quick checklist on screen so you can pause the video, screenshot it, and actually follow it while you're finding products. But overall, what you're looking for is something that's obviously in high demand, something that people are very passionate about, or very, it solves a very widely accepted problem, right? The main marketing angle brings out a very strong emotion in its avatar. It can be used every single day or at least regularly. So I actually found this skincare brand selling this NAD plus EGF firming kind of anti-aging serum, and they're currently doing $700,000 every single month. So, I'm going to be using this as an example. This isn't necessarily like some crazy untapped winning product, although it might be if you're watching this video. I haven't done a full deep dive into this product, but I do know it is a solid choice. And if we scroll down here to video and ad, where we can see a full breakdown of this, TikTok Shop's best UGC video ads, we can see that the top one here has $57,000, almost $58,000 in revenue being generated just from this one video in the last, again, 30 days. Okay, 1.6 million views, items sold almost 3,000, and it was published obviously recently, so it's within the last 30 days. So again, if you have your own winning ads, if you have a brand that you're scaling right now, you can I recommend using those instead of just some random, ad that you find. So I'm going to be using this first video as an example, obviously for this video, but if you have your own brand, if you have ads, winning ads currently active in an ad account, you can also use this process, this pipeline, to make iterations and variations of those winning ads as well. So we now have our example competitor, video ad that we're going to be using for the video. But what if we wanted to use Claude to actually do research for us, for example, in the meta ads library? I'm going to be showing you a prompt that will basically do that. So this is the prompt here. So using web search and the meta ad library, analyze this competitor. So you would copy and paste the competitor meta ad library link. The ad library doesn't show spend, so judge winners by these signals instead. So I've given it these signals to judge winners by. How long each ad has been running, so the longer the ad's been running, the more likely it is to be winning, obviously. Brands kill losers fast, I have here. Ads with as many active variations, so they're scaling it, right? Because if you see an ad in an ad library that's been duplicated a bunch of times or has different kind of variations of it, likely it's a winning ad, winning messaging, or winning visuals, whatever it may be. Ads with highest impressions, obviously, and then the same concept appearing again across multiple placements. And you can have it do this. So list their longest running and most duplicated ads, split them into video ads and static photo ads if that's what you wanted to do. Pick the single strongest video ad and the single strongest photo ad, and then tell me in one line each why you picked those two. So in this video, I'm not going to be doing this simply because I've already found and validated a winning ad from Kalodata, and I've done my research that way. But I just wanted to show you a quick way that you could use your Claude chat before you do this whole process to actually do research for you. But honestly, if you're a beginner, I would highly recommend you to learn the basics of actually finding products and finding ads yourself first, which is why I'm focusing on Kalodata in this video. So our first prompt is actually going to be pulling an extremely comprehensive breakdown of our competitor's ad, or your own winning ad if you wanted to do that. Okay, so I have here, I want to recreate this ad on Seedance 2.0 using Arcads MCP, but I first need you to break this video ad down into every single detail you can. Okay, so the hook, what's said, what's shown, the full script, the visual structure, right, the actor demographic, accent if applicable. This video ad happens to have an accent in it. Pacing and edit rhythm, the offer and the call to action, why it works, so the pain point, the angle, the psychology, and then any other detail I've missed here that could create a better prompt output for Seedance 2.0 to accurately recreate this video. I say output this as a clean, structured breakdown that you can then turn into generation prompts for Seedance 2.0. And by the way, guys, if you're new to AI, if you ever need a good prompt, you can prompt AI to give you a prompt to generate you prompts. Like there's no, you don't have to know how to prompt. Like that's what a lot of people are saying online. Like these are the best prompts for this. Those can work, but you can just ask the AI to make you a prompt for prompting itself even. Like if you're ever confused and you don't know how to prompt the AI, just ask the AI for the prompt for itself on whatever topic you want, but just make sure to give it whatever guidelines you actually want out of the output. Okay, so I'm going to enter this in here and let's see what it gives us. Okay, so it says it's going to start by examining the actual video file. So it says, let me probe it and extract frames and audio. And again, guys, this is using zero Claude code. This is all just in Claude Cowork, just in a regular chat window. It says, now let me create montages to view the frames efficiently and load the Arcads transcription tools. It's also going to transcribe the audio via Arcads as well. And as you can see, guys, it's able to do this because of my connectors here. I have Arcads MCP enabled. So again, make sure that that's enabled. All right, boom. And here it is, guys. So this is the competitor ad breakdown. So if you wanted to do this for your own winning ad, if you wanted to do this for a competitor's ad, each is fine. But I mean, everything that you possibly would need to create a highly comprehensive prompt for Seedance 2.0 is now inside of here. So whenever you want to create a very good video ad, a very good AI, video ad, you want to first pull, say you're doing it off of an actual, reference video. You want to pull a very highly comprehensive, breakdown from that video so that you can actually tell the AI to use that comprehensive breakdown to create a proper prompt. That way you get perfect generations like every single time. This whole process is also way easier than just typing your own prompts. Like you don't have to type your own prompts anymore at all. Zero, nothing. The only prompts that you need to write now are just short ones that I'm showing you like this that are super easy to understand. And if you have something like Whisper, you can even just hold the button down on your computer and just talk to the AI, tell it what you want, and it will do it for you. And this is the direction that we're moving in marketing and e-commerce, in life, in general. AI is starting to be able to do things for us. AI is becoming more and more and more automated, just like how I'm showing you in this video. So it's super exciting stuff, honestly. So now we're gonna actually generate the video. So, okay, and now we're gonna take that breakdown and we're gonna ask Claude to use it to generate 2 prompts to then fire those off inside of Arcads MCP. So because our competitor's ad is actually more than 30 seconds, I've asked it to do something a little bit more specialized. And again, these prompts that I'm showing you here that I'm giving into Claude aren't hard set. You can change these however you'd like and alter them however you'd like. For example, this specific one is specifically for a video ad that's longer than 15 seconds because Seedance 2.0 has a cap of 15 seconds. So we're going to have to make 2 different prompts. And this is actually a very good example because a lot of people have a hard time keeping the same model, the same lighting, the same environment from clip to clip. But a lot of people don't realize that you can actually use video references for your prompts and for your generations inside of Seedance. So you can take your first prompt's output, so your first clip essentially, and use it as a reference in your second prompt. That way your second clip or your second generation is basically a continuation prompt, a continuation video of your first video. So let me just break down the prompt quickly so you can understand. So take the video, add breakdown above, right? Write a highly optimized, highly comprehensive, detailed Seedance 2.0 generation prompt that recreates its winning structure exactly, but with, my product and my script. I'm going to have to fill out these sections in a second, but, okay, so keep the product exactly as shown and attach its reference image in the prompt for Seedance 2.0 using Arcads MCP. So I'm going to be attaching these reference images of my product so that I can actually go ahead and make a solid clip number 1. So I'm actually going to be uploading these 4 product reference images. These are my kind of version of the product that I just made quickly in Adobe 2. Again, if you wanted to, you could actually use Arcads MCP in the same exact chat to make these images as well. I just wanted to do it quickly off camera. But to continue along here, the prompt must specify everything in the above breakdown and if more. And you can pause and, read this prompt if you'd like. Yours is going to be different than mine, but if you wanted to copy the same exact prompt, go ahead. But the thing I really want to highlight here, which is the cool part, is I'm saying generate me 2 prompts, both optimized for a length of 15 seconds with a normal to slightly excited/fast speaking time. The first prompt will include the reference images, so these 4, of my product to get accurate fidelity of my product. And the second prompt will include the reference images of my product and the full first prompt's clip that was generated. And I'm just explaining to it, this way you can make the second prompt for the clip 2 generation a continuation prompt of clip 1 with the same model, the same lighting, the same environment, pacing, framing, etc. so that both clips can be combined into one video and flow like a regular video ad. And then lastly, I have make sure prompt number 2 is a continuation prompt like how I described here and continues where the first prompt's generated clip number 1 ends exactly. All right, and now we have the same exact winning concept from that reference video, but we have our product and our script in here to create our ad. So here you can see I just provided the script for prompt number 1 and prompt number 2. If you were iterating off of a video that had the same exact length, so 30 seconds, you wouldn't really have to do this because it would just split up the transcript into 2 different 15-second clips. All right, and now that I have added my product and my scripts, I'm gonna go ahead and click on enter and have Arcads build out our ad for us. I don't have to do anything else. My hands are here. I'm just sitting back, relaxing, and watching my ads be made for me. And usually when you're generating, 1 to 5 videos, it takes about 5 to 10 minutes per video, but that depends on the length, of course, also. All right, so the prompts are now done. So this is prompt number 1, prompt number 2. I didn't write any of this. Claude did all of this for me. Okay, it has both of our scripts inside each one of them. So all we need to do now is go over here, copy and paste this. So now generate the first clip. Then once it's finished and you're able to use it as a reference like I instructed you for clip 2, then make clip number 2. And then again, do this using Arcads MCP and Seedance 2.0 in a 9:16 format. So let's click on enter. And now it's going to use Arcads MCP to generate our clips exactly how we instructed it to. So again, this pipeline, this entire process is 100% customizable. You can customize this however you'd like. Okay, now Arcads is activating. The MCP is connected. You can see here, Arcads MCP, Arcads generate video, Seedance 2.0. It's asking us to approve. Let's allow for this task. And it's using Arcads MCP, thinking. Okay, so this is pretty cool, guys. I mean, you can see this actively working through problems. I'm not doing anything here. I'm just waiting. It says files are 24 MB, too big for the uploader. Let me make optimized copies, then upload them. Upload works, uploading the other 2. All 3 uploaded, generating clip 1 now. Arcads MCP, right? Using Arcads MCP. It's pretty crazy. And this happens with a lot of things. I mean, there's always going to be, bumps or issues. Okay, and you can actually see here it's checking every 60 seconds. So the Arcads MCP is actively working. It's creating clip number 1 right now. It's been thinking for about 30 seconds. This will be created within like 5 to 7-ish minutes. Okay, it's telling us that clip 1 is rendering now. So it'll appear in the widget above this one right here in about 7 minutes. All right, that 15-second clip, honestly, it took about 4 minutes or something like that, maybe 5 minutes. I've just been sitting here. So it's done. So let's check it out.
Don't take anti-aging advice from 20-year-olds, not even 30 or 40. Instead, you should take it from a 63-year-old. Yes, I'm 63, and I religiously believe in this product. You know why? The ingredients. I call it the Korean Vampire Serum, but it's actually EFNDA Firming Serum.
I mean, guys, come on. That's incredible. All right, so that's done now. Let's go ahead and make the second clip. All right, so I've now gone ahead and fired clip number 2. So we'll wait another, 5-ish minutes and see what the result is. All right, and just like that, it says clip 1 ends on her holding the bottle by her face, mid-sentence, perfect handoff point. So all continuation inputs uploaded, generating clip number 2 now. So let's see. And just to show you how user-friendly this is, it's generating clip number 2 right now. It's just giving me a little breakdown here of what we can do. So we can stitch clip 1 and clip 2 together into a 30-second file, which obviously we were going to do anyways. It can add captions, right? So in the original video, it had a little burned-in top caption of "I'm 63, trust me when it comes to anti-aging, this is the real deal," right? Or even if we wanted to make different iterations of this, we could keep the same video, but we can ask it to burn in different captions every single time to the top of the video. We're getting to a point now, honestly, where whatever you can think up here can be applied and produced in here. And boom, just like that, clip number 2 is done. So let's check out clip number 2 then.
EPA lifts, NAD brings elasticity, plus collagen and 8 peptides to plump, hydrate, and moisturize. It's my #1 nighttime serum, clinically tested.
Okay, so I actually went ahead and regenerated clip number 2 just so that I could fix a few minor issues. So let's see if they're fixed now.
EGF lifts, NAD brings elasticity, plus collagen and 8 peptides to plump, hydrate, and moisturize. It's my #1 nighttime serum, clinically tested, and keeps me looking young. I'm linking it down below, and it's even 70% off right now, so get it while it's still in stock.
Pretty good. All right. Now, last but not least, we are going to be using Arcads MCP to combine the 2 clips. So I wrote a prompt that says, take the 2 clips Arcads generated me above and combine them to form one full 30-second video ad that flows perfectly. Make 2 variations, one with the burned-in caption that says, how to keep your youth at 63 years old, and one without. Show me the final output here when you're finished. And then I have just for clip 2, use the second regeneration clip because that was the one that I liked the best. So let's go ahead and enter this and see what it gives us. And just like that, both versions are done. I just watched them over. They look great. The one without captions kind of looks a little bit better. So I'm going to show you guys that one.
Don't take anti-aging advice from 20-year-olds, not even 30 or 40. Instead, you should take it from a 63-year-old. Yes, I'm 63, and I religiously believe in this product. You know why? The ingredients. I call it the Korean Vampire Serum, but it's actually EFNDA Firming Serum. The EGF lifts, NAD brings elasticity, plus collagen and 8 peptides to plump, hydrate, and moisturize. It's my #1 nighttime serum, clinically tested, and keeps me looking young. I'm linking it down below, and it's even 70% off right now, so get it while it's still in stock.
I mean, looks great. Now, if you wanted to go off and make 5, 10, even 20 different variations of this video, you can fully do that with this process. Literally, all you need to do is reprompt Claude in this same exact chat window. This process is infinitely scalable and extremely powerful, so you're welcome. So let's quickly recap what just happened. We found a competitor's winning ad as an example, had Claude reverse engineer it, and had Arcads MCP rebuild it in our own way, all in a matter of minutes. With Arcads MCP, you can now iterate on your best creatives in no time, scaling both your ad spend and your revenue to new heights. So if you want to do this yourself and scale your ecom brand past all of your competitors, I'll leave the link to Arcads down below. And as always, if this was useful, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.